How often should I be cleaning my solar panels, and do I even need to clean my solar panels? We recommend that cleaning panels should be done 3 times throughout the year, 2 to 3 times depending on the area and location. If you're living next to like a dirt field or somewhere that's giving off a lot of dust or dirt, then we recommend 3 to 4 times per year. But for the average home, just in a normal neighborhood, you're typically going to be needing to clean them from 2 to 3 times per year. And we do offer a 50% discount to all of our Supreme customers for our cleaning service. When you are cleaning the panels, we don't recommend you just spray them down with a hose because there's a lot of calcium in the water that would come out of the hose. So what we do is we actually hook up a filter, reverse osmosis filter, to the spigot, and then are able to clean with clean water, so it doesn't leave any type of calcium or any type of spots on the panels. Those can actually affect the production just like as if you have dirt on them. So you don't want to clean them and just leave calcium or water spots on the panels. It does affect the production. What we've seen is that not cleaning your panels will actually reduce the production between 15 and 30% depending on how long you allow them to not be cleaned for. Rain does help with cleaning the panels, so that's why we recommend to clean in March, in June, and then in September. These 2 cleanings are probably the most important because that's when you're going to be producing the most amount of power. So you want to make sure that your panels are the cleanest at those times. So March, June, and September are going to be the 3 days that you want to be cleaning your panels. March and June are the 2 most important months, or the 2 most important times of the year that you want to be cleaning your panels.